Let's start. Now I am going to initiate you into a powerful meditation process. This technique is given by Mahadeva to Parvati in 22nd Shiva Sutra. Please sit and listen. Settle down. Let me read out the exact translation of the sutra. This technique can give you whatever you want, whether you want health, money, relationships, bliss, enlightenment. It is a all-fulfilling technique. If you do completion, anything you want, you will attract in your life. This sutra, I'll read out the translation. Look at your past, disidentified. Let attention be at a place where you are seeing some past happening, and even your form having lost its present characteristics is transformed. I'll give you the explanation. Whatever incompletion you are having, for example, you have fear of going to the beach. Look when it started. At the age of 10, when you were doing a beach walk, you saw a murder. That time the fear started. Is everyday murder happening in the beach? No. One incompletion sitting in your being and not letting you live your future as you want. Relive that incident means not remembering. I'll give you example, listen. Remembering means now you are 37. You will remember what happened at the age of 7 and think about it. That is remembering. But you forgetting you are 37, becoming 7, same age, time, space, mind, brain, intelligence, just become that and relive, visualize. That is reliving. You remembering who you are now and thinking about the past is remembering. You forgetting who you are now and becoming, that is reliving. Reliving is relieving. Any of your past incompletion, it can be as simple as you saw murder in the beach, to as complicated as sexual abuse you went through as a child. It can be anything. Reliving is relieving. I am not asking you to remember, I am asking you to relive. Remembering means you still having your identity now and thinking about it. But you forget, wipe what you are now, become that and visualize, go through that. You will see all that pain will melt down. It may flow as tears, whatever. But finally you will see you are complete. You are complete. You are complete. Clear? All of you are clear about the process of completion, how to do? If you are clear about it, please raise your hand. Now, few minutes, sit and pen down the incompletion incidents. The incidents in your life when incompletion started, at least 10 incidents, pen down. After penning down, sit and start reliving. Do the completion. I'll guide you step by step. First, take up a paper and pen. At least 10 incidents in your life when the incompletion started in your life. Please pen down. Start. Tie the ribbon. You might have been given eye band. Please close your eyes with eye band and let's start doing the completion process. One by one, incident by incident, relive the incompletions. Forget your present. Go into that past, become that. Relive the incompletions and relieve it. With the grace of Mahadeva, I bless you all. Let all of you achieve, let everyone achieve complete completion. Shiva. Slowly, very slowly, you can open your eyes. It's time for us to end the session. Even after going to the house, please continue to practice this today and come back tomorrow for the next session. Let's gather for next session. Thank you. Be blissful.